Question number 7 says the diagram below shows the first 4 diagrams in a sequence of regular hexagons. Each regular hexagon is made using sticks of unit length. You have diagrams 1, 2, 3. Diagram 4, you have to complete the diagram below to represent diagram 5 in the sequence of regular hexagon. So there are 2 here. There's 2 here. You have 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm guessing the next one should have 6. So we need to add another one. Need to complete this side. Right. We need to put on another one here. I think something like this would be our 4 diagram. But being a perfectionist like myself, I hate when something don't look very good. All right. I guess it could get it better, but I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on that and not get some other marks. So this would be my my figure number 5. Try and draw it as best as you can. All right, so the B part of the question says the number of regular hexagon H, the number of sticks S, and the perimeter of each figure P follows a pattern. The value of H, S, and P for the first 4 diagrams are shown in the table below. Study the pattern of numbers in each row of the table and answer the questions that follow. All right, so looking at the hexagons, the number of hexagons, it's going up by 2. So I know that the general term UR would be equal to 2R plus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. That's how you get 3 for the first value. The number of sticks looks as if it's going up by 8. So UR is equal to 8R plus 7. 8 ones 8 plus 7. That's how you get 15. The perimeter seems to be going up by 4. So it's UR, the general term, is equal to 4R because it's going up by 4 plus 8. 4 ones 4 plus 8. That's how you get 12. All right, so for the 5th shape, this would just be 11. It's going up by 2. This would be 47. It's going up by 8. And over here, 28. Here, to determine let's call this value over here X. To determine what X is, I'm going to use the fact that this value here would be 2 times the diagram number, which is X, plus 1 would be equal to 47. Working it to the left, 2X plus 1 would be equal to 47. 2X would be 47 minus 1. 2X would be equal to 46. Divide both sides by 2, and X would be equal to 23. So the number here is 23. If the number there is 23, The number over here would be 4 times 23. Oh, sorry. 4 times 23 plus 8. And so the number here would be 100. The number here is 100. So if the figure number is n, this would be 2n plus 1. This would be 8n plus 7. And over here would be 4n plus 8. What else are we asked to do? We are told that Skylar says that she takes one of these figures she can make one of these figures with a perimeter of exactly 1005. With a perimeter of exactly 1005, explain why she is incorrect. Well, to do this, to answer this part of the question, since she said that the perimeter is 105, I'm going to let the perimeter, which is what? 4r plus 8 be equal to 1005. Now, if 1005 is the perimeter of a figure in this sequence, if 1005 is the perimeter of a figure in this sequence, r is going to come out to be a whole number. R is going to come out to be a positive integer. If 1005 is a figure in the sequence, if when I solve this equation, r comes out to be a decimal, 1005 is not the perimeter of a figure in the sequence. So 4r would be equal to 1005 minus 8. So 4r would be 997. Now if I divide both sides by 4, I'm going to get r is equal to 249.25. So remember, r is the figure number, and the figure number must be a whole number, must be a positive integer. So it says briefly explain why she's incorrect. Skylar is incorrect because a perimeter of 1005 will result in a figure number that is not a positive integer. Therefore, Skylar is incorrect.